everyone, today's recipe on Cook with Love is Shahi Tukda. Shahi Tukda is my favorite dessert. However tasty it may be, I do not make it often because of the three reasons. Firstly, it is fried. Secondly, it has a lot of sugar in it. Thirdly, it goes well with rabri, which takes a lot of time to prepare. So I thought of some ways to make it not only easy to prepare but healthier too. So let's see how to go about it. For making Shahi Tukda, we need 2 bread slices. We have used whole wheat bread here since we are trying to make it as healthy as possible. 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of butter or ghee, 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder, few strands of saffron, some nuts and 2 teaspoons of rose water. For the recipe of Shahi Tukda, first of all we will make custard. Instead of rabri, I have used custard for this Shahi Tukda. Start boiling the milk. Meanwhile, prepare corn flour mixture by adding corn flour in 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. As you can see, it is now lump free. Once the milk boils, we'll add this mixture to the milk. Since the milk is about to be boiled, we'll add this mixture. Keep stirring and wait for it to get thickened. As you can see, it has started getting thick. Once it reaches to the desired consistency, please turn off the flame. Now add jaggery powder and mix it well. One of the benefits of adding jaggery is that it gives out natural yellow color. As you can see, it has now got that consistency of rabri as well as the color of rabri. You can now add rose water to it. So our custard is ready. So while we prepare bread for it, you can put it in the refrigerator to cool. Now take a pan and add some butter or ghee to it. The bread that I have used is whole wheat bread and I have cut it into rectangular size. You can also cut them into square or even round. Roast these bread pieces in ghee. Roast it well so that it becomes really crispy. This is still better than going for the fried option.